ഓം ശ്രീ ഗുരുഭ്യോ നമഃ. ഹരി ഓം. ഓം ഗണാനാം ത്വാ ഗണപതിം ഹവാമഹേ കവിം കവീനാം ഉപമശ്രവസ്തമം ജ്യേഷ്ഠരാജം ബ്രഹ്മണാം ബ്രഹ്മണസ്പത ആനശൃണ്വന്നോതിവിശ്രീദസാദനം. ഓം ശ്രീ മഹാഗണപതയേ നമഃ. ഓം നമഃ ശിവായ ഗുരവേ സച്ചിദാനന്ദമൂർത്തയേ നിഷ്പ്രപഞ്ചായ ശാന്തായ നിരാലംബായ തേജസേ. ഓം യസ്യാത്മഭൂതസ്യ ഗുരുപ്രസാദാത് അഹം വിമുക്തോസ്മി സംസാരബന്ധാത്. സർവോപദിഷ്ടു ശിവാനന്ദമൂർത്തേഃ മൃദ്വംഘ്രിയുഗ്മം പ്രണതോസ്മി നിത്യം. ദയാസിന്ധും ദീനബന്ധും ശാസ്ത്രാർത്ഥബോധനപട്ടും മസ്കരീന്ദ്രവരം നൗമി ശ്രീചിദാനന്ദസദ്ഗുരും. ഓം പ്രാണിനാം ദുഃഖഹർത്താരു ജ്ഞാനദോ ഭുവനമുക്തയേ ശിവാനന്ദചിദാനന്ദോ ആശ്രയേ ഗുരുസത്തമോ. ഓം ശാന്താത്മാനം പ്രണതസുലഭം സിദ്ധവിദ്യാപ്രഭാവം ഭാസ്വദ്രൂപം സുഗുണനിലയം ധ്വസ്തകർമാദിവർഗം പ്രജ്ഞാവൃത്തം നിജ സമദൃശം താരതം ത്യാഗിവദ്യം സാക്ഷാത് ഈശം മമ ഗുരുവരം ശിവാനന്ദം നതോസ്മി. ശിവാനന്ദം നതോസ്മി. ഓം വിശ്വം ദർപ്പണദൃശ്യമാനനഗരീ തുല്യം നിജാന്തർഗതം പശ്യന്നാത്മനി മായയാ ബഹിരിവോദ്ഭൂതം യഥാ നിദ്രയാ യസ്സാക്ഷാത് കുരുതേ പ്രബോധസമയേ സ്വാത്മാനമേവാദ്വയം. തസ്മൈ ശ്രീ ഗുരുമൂർത്തയേ നമഃ. ശ്രീദക്ഷിണാമൂർത്തയേ ബീജസ്യ അന്തരിവങ്കുരോ ജഗദിദം പ്രാങ് നിർവികൽപം പുനഃ മായാകൽപ്പിത ദേശകാലകലനാ വൈചിത്ര്യചിത്രീകൃതം. മായാവീവ വിജൃംഭയത്യപി മഹായോഗീവ യസ്വേച്ഛയാ. തസ്മൈ ശ്രീ ഗുരുമൂർത്തയേ നമഃ. ശ്രീദക്ഷിണാമൂർത്തയേ യസ്യൈവ സ്ഫുരണം സദാത്മകം അസത്കൽപ്പാർത്ഥകം ഭാസത്തെ സാക്ഷാത് തത്വമസീതി വേദവചസാ യോ ബോധയത്യാശ്രിതാൻ. യസ്സാക്ഷാത്കരണാത് ഭവേന്ന പുനരാവൃത്തി ഭവാംഭോനിധൗ. തസ്മൈ ശ്രീ ഗുരുമൂർത്തയേ നമഃ. ശ്രീദക്ഷിണാമൂർത്തയേ നാനാചിദ്രകടോദരസ്ഥിതമഹാ ദീപപ്രഭാഭാസ്വരം ജ്ഞാനം യസ്യതു ചക്ഷുരാദികരണദ്വാരാ ബഹിസ്പന്ദതേ. ജാനാമീതി തമേവ ഭാന്തം അനുപാത്യേതത് സമസ്തം ജഗത്. തസ്മൈ ശ്രീ ഗുരുമൂർത്തയേ നമഃ. ശ്രീദക്ഷിണാമൂർത്തയേ ദേഹം പ്രാണമപീന്ദ്രിയാണ്യപി ചലാം ബുദ്ധിം ച ശൂന്യം വിദുഃ. സ്ത്രീ ബാലാന്തജടോപമാഃ ത്വഹമിതി ഭ്രാന്താഭൃശം വാദിനഃ. മായാശക്തിവിലാസകൽപ്പിതമഹാ വ്യാമോഹസംഹാരിണീ. തസ്മൈ ശ്രീ ഗുരുമൂർത്തയേ നമഃ. ശ്രീദക്ഷിണാമൂർത്തയേ രാഹുഗ്രസ്തദിവാകരേന്ദുസദൃശോ മായാസമാച്ഛാദനാത് സന്മാത്രകരണോപസംഹരണതോ യോ ഭൂത് സുഷുപ്തഃ പ്രാഗസ്വാപ്സമിതി പ്രബോധസമയേ യ പ്രത്യഭിജ്ഞായത്തെ. തസ്മൈ ശ്രീ ഗുരുമൂർത്തയേ നമഃ. ശ്രീദക്ഷിണാമൂർത്തയേ ബാല്യാദിഷ്വപി ജാഗ്രതാദിഷു തഥാ സർവാസ്വവസ്ഥാസ്വപി വ്യാവൃത്താസ്വനുവർത്തമാനം അഹം ഇത്യന്തഃസ്ഫുരന്തം സദാ സ്വാത്മാനം പ്രകടീകരോതി ഭജതാം യോ മുദ്രയാ ഭദ്രയാ. തസ്മൈ ശ്രീ ഗുരുമൂർത്തയേ നമഃ. ശ്രീദക്ഷിണാമൂർത്തയേ വിശ്വം പശ്യതി കാര്യകാരണതയാ സ്വസ്വാമി സംബന്ധത शिष्यार्जतया तथा पितृपुत्राद्यात्मना भेदतः स्वप्ने जागृति वा य एष पुरुषो मायापरिभ्रामितः तस्मै श्रीगुरुमूर्तये नमः श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये भूरम्बांसि अनिलो अम्बरमहर्नाथो हिमांशु पुमान् इत्याभाति चराचरात्मकमिदं यस्यैव मूर्त्यष्टकं नान्यत् किञ्चन विद्यते विमृशतां यस्मात् परस्मात् विभोः तस्मै श्रीगुरुमूर्तये नमः श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये सर्वात्मत्वमिति स्फुटीकृतमिदं यस्माद् अमुष्मिन् स्तवे तेनास्य श्रवणात् तथा अर्थमननात् ध्यानाच्च संकीर्तनात् सर्वात्मत्वमहाविभूतिसहितं स्यादीश्वरत्वं स्वतःसिद्ध्येत् तत्पुनरष्टधा परिणतं ऐश्वर्यमव्याहृतम्. So from tomorrow onwards, only 5 slokas we will chant in the beginning and the remaining 5 in the end, tomorrow onwards. And you know this, Sarvatmattvamidhi sputikritamidam yasmad amushpim stavem tena asya shravanat tatha arthamananad. The another part is tad arthamananad. Shankaracharya both. Tatha arthamananad is also shravanat tatha arthamananad. Shravanat tad arthamananad. Understand the difference? Shravanat, tena asya shravanat, by hearing this, tad arthamananad, thinking about the meaning. Same meaning only. Tena asya shravanat tatha, likewise arthamananad. Same meaning, but the pada is tatha, tad arthamananad. Om Bhadram Karne Vishnuniyama Devaha Bhadram Pashye Makshabiryajatraha Stire Rangai Stuštuvagum Sastanubihi Vashema Devahitam Jadayuhu Swasti na Indro Vruddashravaha Swasti na Pusha Vishwavedaha Swasti na Tarkshyo Arishtanemihi Swasti no Brihaspadir Dadatu Om Shanti 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 Hari Om. So third chapter we were going through, okay? Third chapter only. Tatiya prashna. Atahinam kausalyascha ashwalayanah papracha Bhagavan kutayesha prano jayate katam ayatyasmin sharire atmanam va pravibhajya katam pratishtade kena utkramate katam bhashyam abhidatte katam adhyatmamiti. First mantra, the Ashwalayana asks, how this prana, kutaha yesha pranaha jayate, from where this prana came. Katam ayati asmin sharire, how it came into this body. Atmanam va pravibhajya katam pratishtade, how it divides itself into pancha prana and remains in the body. Kena utkramate, how it goes out, why it goes out. Katam bhashyam abhidatte, how it supports the outer world. Katam adhyatma, how it supports the internal world. This prana. Okay? All the questions are about prana. Tasya tasmai sahovaja ati prashnan prachyasi brahmishtositi tasmat teham brivimi. You are asking me transcendental questions. However, because you are a serious seeker, I will tell you. Then he says, Atmana esha prano jayate yatha esha purushechaya etasmin etatadatam manokritena ayatyasmin sharire. From the Purusha, from the Atma only, from the Purusha only, this prana is born. Yatha esha purushechaya, as the shadow is following a person or following an object. Likewise, etati atatam, the shadow is dependent on that object, that person. Likewise, this prana is a shadow of that Paramatma, Jivatma. Okay? How it came, the shadow? Manokritena ayatyasmin sharire, because of the sankalpa, because of your mind only created this body. Which created this body? Our body was created by the mind. Mind means what the mind contains, the thoughts in the mind. Okay? So there is a book, so Western book, an English book, and As a Man Thinketh. That book we have published a number of times. As a man thinketh. As you think, you will become. That's a shallow meaning. Not this much meaning is there. But if you think I will do it, you will be able to do it. If you don't think I may not be able to, you will never do it. That's also okay. If you write an examination, whatever I write, I will not pass. If you think you will never pass, that's a simple thing. Likewise, God realization is not for all of us. It is meant for some Mahatmas. Then the only Mahatmas you will never get. If we can get, I will also get. Then you will get. Okay, same thing applies. So as a man thinketh was written at a shallow level, but it is very famous book actually. We have printed. We have printed it number of times because Chidan Swami wanted that book to be printed. So many times we have printed. Small pocket book, you remember? Others are also printing it. So, Manokratena asmin sharire ayati. Then he divides himself into 5. How? Yata samrad eva atikratan viniyunkte etan graman atitishtasva ityevam eva yesha pranaha itaran pranan pratak eva sannidhatte. As a king is allotting different areas to different people for ruling, as different departments are there in an organization, and each one is responsible for each function. This prana divides itself into 5 functional separations. Then where it is, payu upaste apanam chakshu shrotra mukhanasika bhyam pranaha swayam pradishtade madhye tu samanaha yeshagi yed hutamannam samam naiti tasmat yeta saptarchisho bhavanti. In the lower area, payu upaste apana. Apana is there in the lower abdomen. Chakshu shrotra mukhanasika bhyam, eye, ear, mouth and nose. In this area, pranaha swayam pradishtade. Prana remains in this area. So it is receiving everything. Madhye samanaha. Samana is there somewhere in the navel area. This yeshakyadat hutamannam samam nayati. Hutamannam means whatever you have taken through the sense organs, this prana is sending to every places. And tasmat eta saptarchisho bhavanti. So these 7 are like the 7 flames. In that flames only the ahutis come. So they give it here and the samana distributes it. Hridihyesha atma atra etadakasham nadi namtasam shadam ekaikasyam dvasaptadir pratishakha nadi sahasrani bhavantya suvyanashcharati. The atma is there in the Hridayakasha. So that Hridayakasha is connected by 101 into 100 nadis. And each one has got 72 into 1000 branches. So through this Vyana travels to it covers the entire area through this. As the electricity passes through different wires, as blood is going through from the heart center to every part. Like that, through this, the Vyana is covering the entire area. Ata ekayor urdha udanaha punyena punyam lokam nayati papena papam upabhyam yeva manushya lokam. So Udana is in the Kantha Pradesha. Ekayor urdha. The Udana will take the prana or the Jivatma to the higher worlds. Punyena punyam lokam nayati papena pap. So according to the Papa and Punya and Papa Mishra, the Swarga or Naraka in the Bhumi, the Udana only takes through the central nadi. That is called Sushumna. Papena Papa Upabhyam Yeva Manush Punyena Punyam Lokam Papena Adho Lokaha Mishra, Papa Punya Mishra, this Manusha Lokam. Then now these are all Adhyatma. Now comes to the Adidevata. Adityo Havai Bhashya Pranaha. This Aditya is the Bhashya Prana. Udayatya Shenam Chakshusham Pranam Anigrinanaha. So when the sun rises, he blesses the prana in these individuals. In your prana in your eyes. That prana only helps you to see. That prana only helps you to hear. All your activities are prana, you know. You are sitting now and hearing me because of prana. Not because the prana is giving jiva, not that way actually. That is everybody knows. You are sitting here because you have got prana. Not, I don't say that. You are sitting here and listening to me because of prana. How? Eh? You correctly tell me. That everybody knows. You know, because of prana, the body is there. Everybody knows. No, no, no. Suppose if you lift a weight, what will you do? Eh? Do it. Okay. To lift a weight, what will you do? So your prana comes. Okay. Now from longer you walk here, what are you doing? You are breathing like this. So your prana is keep on changing according to your activities. You have full stomach. Then your breathing will be difficult. Okay? Keep on eating full stomach. And kheer and everything. Okay. And then longer also we see actually people will eating like this and then slowly like this. Our Shiva Bhakta Swami will be like this. Then he will eat like this. Then plate it. He will eat like this. Okay? So as you eat, you become, then breath will change. Every activity, the breath pattern will be changing. You have noticed? When you are sleeping, what will you do? How will you sleep? How will you breathe? You want to breathe like this. You won't breathe like that. When you will breathe like that? When you are doing more work, you will breathe like a dog breathing. When you are sleeping, and old people means it will be do like this. Yes. So it will happen. And if you chant, you keep on reading Bhagavad Gita, all the 18 chapters, then you become tired. Why? Your energy, pranic energy is being spent there. I know sometimes when I was studying, some days I feel some stomach, some heaviness in the stomach is there. Then there I used to do the chanting and Vishnu Sahasranama, Parayana, etc. Not Lalita Sahasranama. So after chanting, Sri Matre Namaha, Sri Maharaj, big sound you have to make it, no mic will be there. Sri Matre Namaha, Sri Maharaj Namaha, Sri Mat Simhasileshwari Namaha, Chidagrikunda Sambhutaya Namaha. One by one will big sound. After chanting, the stomach upset has gone. The stomach is wanting food now. It is hungry. If you do chanting for 1 hour, you will become hungry, you know. You are all chanting after food. Before food, if you chant, then we will go and eat more. So every activity, prana is the power behind all activity. That is the energy. You are consuming that energy. Okay? To sleep, you need prana. To walk, you need prana. Sleep, you need less prana, less energy. It's a 0-volt bulb. 1-volt bulb, LED. The other is 1000 volt, lifting. Walking is an activity, running is an activity. So running means you breathe like this. Walking means slowly walking means it's slow. So the activity and prana is interconnected. Okay? So there is every minute your prana is changing. Every minute you are doing pranayama. Pranayama means what? Pranasya ayamaha. Changing the normal pattern of prana is called pranayama. When you do a work, the prana will change. Now you walk up here and come here. You are breathing like this. When you come and sit down here, what will happen? Prana will become normal. How does it? Why should it become normal? The activity level has come down. You understand me? So activity level comes down, the prana becomes more smooth. Activity increases, prana becomes short and quick. Like that. Activity is less means. So everything is prana. Every time you are doing pranayama. Every minute you are doing pranayama. Not this, not like that. That pranayama is a Hatha Yoga pranayama. Every time this pranayama is going on. You know, there is a Veda mantra. Apranan anapanan vagvadati. When you are speaking, you are doing pranayama. You cannot suck air and speak. Can you do? You cannot speak. You cannot speak. When you are speaking, you are doing pranayama. And when you exhale and inhale, when you stop. That is the comma and full stop is what actually? The air intake times. Suppose if you are singing, if you have to go means, the brain, you have to control the breath, then only it will go like this. Otherwise it won't go. How much length you are taking, that's the pranayama. You have seen this Bismillah Khan playing Shanai. You have seen him. How his neck will be, you know. You have seen. Bismillah Khan, when he is playing, this neck will bulge like this. You keep on doing this is so much, it will be swelling, and that air will slowly pass on. All the Nadaswaram players, pipe players, all will have this, neck will swell up, because the air is kept here, and slowly it passes. Even those who do this, in ashram, whenever the conch is blown, I will keep on watching who is blowing. Continuously they will blow. Some people continuously, everybody cannot say, suppose suddenly you give it to me, I cannot do it. Who? That's after us, again I have to say who. It will not be there. Non-stop it will go, it won't without break go. That means the air is continuously going out. That is, what is that? Breathing out. Breathing out is, Rechakam is being done continuously at a slow pace. It's a big pranayama. The yoga fellows doesn't know all these things. This is actually a big pranayama. Even chanting is a pranayama. So this, why I said all these things? So Aditya is the prana. Aditya, our Bhashya prana. So he blesses us. This prana is blessed by that Devata prana. Chakshusham pranam anugrinanaha. So this Aditya comes and blesses the prana in the eyes. Prithibhyam ya devata seisha purishasya apanam avashlabhya antara yadakashaka sasamano vayurvyanaham. So the Prithvi Devata is blessing the apana. And then this Akasha is blessing the samana. And Vayu supports the dhyana. That is the Ati Devata, these are Adhyatma. Okay? Tejo Hava Udanaha Tasmat Upashanta Tejaha Punarbhavam Indrihi Manis Sampatyate. So Udana is Tejas, is the heat, Agni. Therefore, Tasmat Upashanta Tejaha. Upashanta Tejaha means the heat of the body has gone. That means a person who is dead. Punarbhavam Indrihi Manasihi Sampatyamanaha. He goes to, a person who is dead will lose that heat. Udana has gone, though the body will lose its temperature and it will become cold. At that time, Udana goes along with the Indriyas, all the Karanas, not this Indriyas, not this eye, Chakshur Indriya, along with this and with the mind. That is the Sukshma Sharira. He carries the Sukshma Sharira and goes to another Sharira, Sthola Sharira, which is conducive for the enjoyment of the bhogas which he was desiring. Okay? Up to that we have covered. Okay? Yachittaha tena yesha pranam ayati pranaha tejasa yuktaha Sah Atmana Yatha Sankalpitam Lokam Nayati. Chitta means Yatha Sankalpaha. What is there in your mind? Tena Yesha Prana, the Udana, along with this Chitta Sankalpa. Whatever thoughts are there, final thoughts are there in the mind, whatever desires we have entertained, whatever is Sankalpa, I want this, there is a Sankalpa. Not what you say in the puja time, that's also Sankalpa. This is a manas, every time there is a Sankalpa in your mind. I want this, I want this, I want this. I want to be like this, I want to get like this. The Sankalpa is there. This Sankalpa only makes you to take another. So Manonasha means what? There is no Sankalpa in the mind. In order to achieve the Manonasha only, all the japa. If you allow the mind to remain quiet, it will keep on thinking, I want that, I want this. That is good, this is bad, I want that. So don't allow the mind. That's why continuously japa. All the japa sadhana, this continuous, the spiritual sadhana, swadhyaya, etc. are only to remove the chitta vritti. Chitta vritti means what? Desires. What other vritti? What is the other vritti is there? Chitta vritti means I want this. That thought will be always there. Different wants will be there. All these wants decide your future birth. So in order to keep the empty the mind of all these things, for that purpose only the Nama Japa, the bhajans, the kirtans, the swadhyaya, the Veda Patana. Because it is not easy to drive out all desires, first you drive out Papa Vasana and keep Punya Vasana, good Vasana, Dharmik. Then Dharma Vasana will also go. Sarva Dharman Parityaja afterwards. First Adharma Parityaga, then Dharma Parityaga. So Yatha Yesha Chittaha, Yachchittaha, Tena Yesha Pranam Ayati. Pranaha Tejasa Yuktaha Sahatmana. Prana along with this Chitta, along with this Indriyas, mind, etc. Sahatmana. With the Indriyas. Atmana here, Indriya Shabda. Sahatmana, what is the commentary? Sahatmana means Indriya, along with the Indriyas.
Atmana means Swamina Bhoktra.
Bhoktra, that is Jivatmana. Okay, either Jivatma or Indriyas. Yatha Sankalpitam Lokam Nayati, according to the Sankalpa Loka, whichever Loka, Swarga Loka, Pitra Loka or anything, or Iha Loka. Whatever you have desired that you, the Jiva, this Udana takes you there. Okay? So the Udana takes you there. So all Prana's functions has been explained. Now the last mantra he says, last but one. Yayevam vidwan pranam veda nahasya prajahiyate amrito bhavati tadesha shlokaha. So whosoever knows this prana like this pancha prana which is responsible for our whole life here and life hereafter, how it came here, how it goes, how we go to the Swarga, Naraka, Bhuloka or Moksha. All these things are covered by the knowledge of the prana, helps you to understand how I have come here, where I will go, how I will conduct myself here, all these things. So, evam vidwan pranam veda, nahi asya prajahiyate. He will not have, without parampara he will not be there. He will have parampara, they say. Because normally people want to lead a householder's life here. Not everybody becomes sannyasi and mokshagama. No, may not be there. 99% want to have a good life here. Or they want to have very good life at Swarga. So, Praja, now here, why Praja is told? Putrena jiyaha ihalokaha. Through the Putra only you live here. A person lives through the Putra. The Guru lives through Shishya. So, Putra tulyaha. So, Shivan Swamiji's Shishya, Shivan Das. They belong to Shivan Das. They say, why? They don't say, you belong to Gurudev's name, they told. So he lives through us. When they see us, they think about the Father. So Putrena Jayaha Ihalokaha. So Ihaloka, and for the purpose of Putra only they get married. Swarga Gamo Ejeta, Putra Gamo Ejeta. So Putra, they will have a good householder's life. All the rishis are householders. Vasishtha, Vamadeva, etc. They are all realized people. Amrito bhavati, and then they can also become realized saints. Amrito bhavati. Krama mukti or sadhya mukti is also possible. Tada yesha shloka. Like that, there is a mantra is also there. That comes now. Utpattim ayatim sthanam vibhutvam chaiva panchada adhyatmam chaiva pranasya vijñāya amritamashnute vijñāya amritamashnute iti. Utpatti adi prana. How the prana utpatti? Prana comes from Atma. Okay? Prana is the shadow of Atma. Prana and Atma are non-different. Prana and Bhagavan are non-different. Bhagavan's shadow is prana. You have got a pratima, you know. Vishwanath Kshetra, there is a Shivalinga. Shivalinga is a representation of Bhagavan. In that, prana pratishtha is done. In that, prana pratishtha is done. In a temple, you don't just put a vigraha, that won't become a temple. Then vigraha, prana pratishtha has to be done. They invoke prana in that. Okay? You know, all devatas has to be prana pratishtha has to be done. So even in ordinary puja also, whenever temples prana pratishtha is permanently done. Whenever we do puja, then in that puja also prana pratishtha has to be made. Prana pratishtha, then suppose if you are doing a havan, so Agni is there. That Agni, that is a fire. You matchstick, if you put that is not devata. Afterwards, the devata has to be invoked into that. So then that they call that devata and ask you to stay there. Ayahi. Avahanam. Avahanam means what? We bring a god from that place to here. Okay. Avahanam na janami. Shankarache. So later avahito bhava. First mantra is in this pratima, in this fire, in this water, hey Bhagavan, you please come here so that I can do puja. That is the avahana mantra's meaning. Then you have to do the prana is taken like this. And prana is, dhyana shloka will be there. First dhyana shloka, you meditate on God. So here he is there, you meditate on God and take him out. And then avahito bhava, stapito bhava, sannihito bhava, sannirdho bhava, avagunthito bhava, suprasito bhava, Bhagavan prasito bhava, varada varada. Then puja starts. Avagunthita means, you know, this is called avakunthana. In the after doing that one cloth they put over the Shivalinga, you know. One cloth they put. Bhagavan will have cold, so they put on. This is called avakunthana. So that avahana, so that prana is also, here prana is Bhagavan's avahana. He has permanently done avahana in you. Okay? That prana only, that Bhagavan only, you put it on the vigraha. So utpatti of the prana, ayati, how it has come, thanam, how it remains there. And each one's sthana, each prana's place we know. And vibhutvam, how it is everywhere. It is there in the individual, it is there in the cosmos. Panchada, and how it divides itself into 5 and remains there. Then adhyatmam jaiva pranasya, adhyatma level. And adhyatma level, adidevika level. Vijñāya, knowing all these things, whatever explained in the earlier mantras. Okay? Vijñāsi, these are all explained in the earlier mantras. Vijñāya amritamashnute. Vijñāya amritamashnute iti. So, if you know this prana, how it has come, how it remains here, how it goes back, what are its functions, what are its place, all these things you know means you become eternal, you become realized soul. If you realize God means what? If you know God, you become realized. What is knowing God? Experiencing Him inside. Prana is the shadow of God. It's a vigraha, archa murti. So if you realize that, you become realized. So next we go to the Chaturtha Prashna. Atahainam Tauryayan hi garjah papracha Bhagavan hetasmin purushe kani swapanti kanyasmin jagrati katarayesha devaha swapnan pashyati kasyaitat sukham bhavati kasmin sarve sampradishtita bhavanti iti. Then Gargagotra, Sauryayani Gargagotra, Gargagotrastha Sauryayani hi papracha. He asked, hey Bhagavan, hetasmin purushe, in this purusha, kani swapandi, who is sleeping? When you are sleeping, which are all the karanas, instruments, indriyas sleeping. Which are all the indriyas sleeping when a person is sleeping? Kani asminni jagrati, which are all awake. Which are all sleeping, which are all awake. Katarayesha devataha, which are all the devatas here. Katarayesha devaha swapnan pashyadi. Which devata is seeing the swapna? Kasya itat sukha, who is enjoying the sukha of the deep sleep? When you are sleeping, I slept nicely well, no problem is there. Everything went on very, very, very smooth, very enjoyed this sleep. Sukhamaham aswapsam. Then I slept very well. Nicely I slept. Who is that? Who slept nicely? Kasmin sarve sampradishtita bhavanti, who in which everything is embedded, in which supports everything. Actually, this question in the Vedanta, it is called Avastatraya Nirupana. Mandukya, what is done in the Mandukya Upanishad, that is done in a different way here. So he asked, Bhagavan Asmin Purushe Kani Swapanti, which are all sleeping? When you are sleeping, who are all sleeping in you? The prana is not sleeping, it is working. Your prana is working when you are sleeping. So somebody is awake and somebody is sleeping. Who are all sleeping now? In this room, some people are sleeping, means who are all sleeping, who are all awake? Like that question. In this body, which are the karanas which sleep when you are, karana means instruments. This eye, etc., these are all karanas. So which karanas are sleeping when you are sleeping? Who are all awake? Katarayesha devaha, who are deshaka swapnan pashyati. Which devata is seeing the swapna? That is, 5 questions are there. During sleep, kani swapanti. Okay? During deep sleep, which are the karanas sleeping? Then kani asmin jagrati, which are all awake. Jagrati kani. Kataraha devataha swapnan pashyati. Which devata see the swapna? Who is enjoying this happiness? Kasmin sukham bhavati. And then, which is the supporter? Kasmin sarve sampradishtita bhavanti, in which everything is taking shelter, which supports all these things. So these are the 5 questions raised in this. Every day we are sleeping. When I am sleeping, who is sleeping? Somebody is awake, you know. Who is prana is awake. So which are all awake? So when many things are sleeping, something is awake. Which is awake? And who is enjoying that sleep? Who is enjoying the dream? Somebody, you are dreaming. You are also there. You are seeing also there. You are involved in the dream. And you are also seer of the dream. Suppose if you see that you are taking a Ganga bath, you are sleeping, you is seeing that you are taking Ganga bath. You see you are taking Ganga bath. When you are taking, you can see somebody taking Ganga bath. You cannot see you are taking Ganga bath. Huh? If you are taking Ganga bath, I see, oh, Swamiji is taking bath, there I can see. I cannot see, I am taking bath. So in the dream you see like that. In the dream you are taking Ganga bath. Oh. And then suppose sometimes in the cold summer, cold winter, and people who doesn't know much of swimming, they will half dip, little. This portion will not become wet. I used to see when people are taking bath. Many people do this much only. So like that you see that you are doing like that, half only you are taking dip, and this portion is not. So who is seeing that? You are taking bath, you are seeing. So where are these 2? And that question is asked here. So Kataraha Swapnan Pashyati, who is enjoying this sleep and who supports all these things. So for that, the next question is, you read the mantra and read it tomorrow. Tasmai sahovacha yatagargya majichayo arkasya astam gacchataha sarvayetasmin tejo mandale eki bhavanti. Tejo mandale actually, okay? Tejo mandala eki bhavanti. Tejo mandale eki bhavanti. Taha punaha punarudayate prajaranti evam havai tatsarvam pare deve manasi eki bhavati. Tera tarhi yesha purusho na shrunoti na pasyati na jigrati na rasete na sprishate na abhivatate na adatte na anandayate na visrajate na yayate swapiti tyachakshate. What a beautiful mantra, you see. So that I will tell tomorrow. Okay. Vishwam darpana disyamana tulyam nijantargatam pashyannatmani mayaya behidivotbhutam yatha nidraya yasachat kurute prabodha samaye swatmanameva advayam tasmai Shri Gurumurtaye namayidam Shri Dakshinamurtaye Bijasya Andarivanguro Jagaditam Prang Nirvikalpam Punaha Maya Kalpita Deshakala Kalana Vaichitra Chitri Kritam Maya Vibha Yogi Vayaswechaya Tasmai Shri Gurumurtaye Namayidam Yasyeva Spuranam Sadatmagam Asatkalpartagam Bhasate Sakshat Tattvamasi Veda Vachasa Yo Bodhayatyashritan Yas Sakshat Karanat Bhavenna Punaravartihi Bhavambo Nidhau Tasmai Shri Gurumurtaye Namayidam Shri Dakshinamurtaye Nana Chidragadodharastitamaha Deepaprabha Jnanam Yasyatu Chakshuradikarana Bihispandade Janamidi Tameva Bhandam Anuvatyetat Samastam Jagat Tasmai Shri Gurumurtaye Namayidam Shri Dakshinamurtaye Deham Pranamapindriyanyapi Chalam Buddhyam Chasunyam Viduhum Stri Balanta Jadopama Stvahamidi Bhranta Abrisham Vadinaham Maya Shakti Vilasa Kalpidamaha Vyamoha Samharine Tasmai Shri Gurumurtaye Namayidam Shri Dakshinamurtaye Rahu Grasta Divagarenta Sadisho Maya Samachhadanate Sanmatra Karanopasamharanadu Yobhuchu Suptapuman Praga Swapsamidi Prabodha Samaye Ya Pratyabhignaya Dakshinamurtaye Balyadishvapi Jagradadishu Tatha Sarva Swavastha Swapi Vyavritta Swanvartamanam Agamitantaspurandam Sadam Swatmanam Pragadikadodi Bhajadam Yo Budraya Bhadraya Tasmai Shri Gurumurtaye Namayidam Shri Dakshinamurtaye Vishwam Pashyati Karya Karanataya Swaswami Sambandata Shishya Acharyataya Tadeva Pitri Putra Adhyatma Bhetataham Swapne Jagradiva Yesha Purusho Maya Paribhramitaha Tasmai Shri Gurumurtaye Namayidam Shri Dakshinamurtaye Bhurambam Syanilo Anilo Ambara Maharnato Himam Shupumane Nityabhadi Charajaratmagamidam Yasyaiva Bhurtyashtagam Nanyat Kinjana Vidyate Vimursadam Yasmat Parasmat Vibhoho Tasmai Shri Gurumurtaye Namayidam Shri Dakshinamurtaye Sarvatmattvamidi Spudigradamidam Yasmad Amushmim Stave Tena Asya Shravanad Tatha Arthamananad Dhyanachya Sankirtanad Sarvatmatva Mahavibhuti Sakidam Syad Ishwaratvam Swadasiddhyet Tatpunarattadha Parinatam Chaishwaryam Abhyahritam. One more error I found actually. In the Rahugrasta sloka, third line, Praga Swapsamidi Prabodha Samaye, the Prabhoga Samaye, Da becomes Ga. Prabodha Samaye. Badram Karne Vishnuyama Devaha Badram Pashye Makshabhiryajatra Sthirai Rangai Stuttuvagum Sattanubihi Yashema Devahitam Jadayuhu Swasti Naindro Vruddashravaha Swasti Napusha Vishwaveda Swasti Nastakshyo Arishtanemihi Swasti No Vrhaspadir Dadatu Om Shanti 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 Hari